Welcome to the ongoing argument, where we don't hold grudges, but I do keep score. Quickly, here's today's panel of the country's top SolidWorks analysts. He's a grizzled and wily veteran. He's Jeff Setzer, and he's been using SolidWorks since the dawn of time. He'll model circles around Tony Stark. He's a real Iron Man. He is Ron Thogerson. Danger, high voltage. It's everyone's favorite Sparky, Claire Schaefer. And finally, he's been down in the basement drinking espresso for hours now. He's a motivational modeler. He's Chris Schaefer. How do you play around the origin? It's simple. For every point you make that'll save an engineer time or sanity, I'll give you a point and you'll hear this noise. Whoever has the most points at the end of 3 rounds will get 10 seconds to promote their favorite engineering technology. First topic, what new drawings feature in SolidWorks 2014 will save users the most time? Sound off, Setzer.
Angular dimensions are the best new thing in drawings in 2014. It's easy to do, it's fast, it's exactly the way you normally want to see them. They're editable and they even snap together to make things look absolutely perfect. Simple and easy, 2014. Anything that's round, which is a lot of stuff.
You know, Jeff, all the new features in SolidWorks 2014 are great. And being able to set angular dimensions, that is just fantastic. It's going to save the user's time. But my favorite feature is going to be the automatic limit setting in BOMs. Imagine being able to set for your drawings row limits so that over and over as you create your BOM, it automatically splits, put things where you want it, and you don't have to spend your time formatting each time you make a change. That's the best feature in 2014.
You know, Ron, everybody uses bills of material, but not all of us use such long, daunting ones. With this new feature of SolidWorks, we can sort things, and we can save them as templates, and with that, we can use set it and forget it, and everything is done. Imagine how much time that's going to save you.
All right, Claire does have a good point. BOMs are wonderful, but this next thing is going to make your designs explode. You can't do bill of materials without balloons, and in SolidWorks 2014, with the new editing to stack balloons, I can easily take it off of one component and reassign it to the next. That's going to make things go kaboom.
Contestants, as a reminder, please wait until after the show to go kaboom. Next topic. What new assemblies features in SolidWorks 2014 will help you design better? Chris, what's the word on assemblies?
All right, SolidWorks assemblies. We all have to work in them. SolidWorks is constantly making my life, your life easier, faster, and better. How? The slot mate. Yeah, okay, you could do mates. I understand that. You could do lots of different kind of mates, but that's the whole point. You're doing lots of kind of mates. The slot mates takes all those mates, condense them down. Cylindrical holes, cylindrical bosses, axes, all go in the slot. They're free. They're centered. They move around. That's easy.
Come on, man. In SolidWorks 2014, we now have the same functionality in pattern assemblies as we used to with pattern parts. Now, without any roadblocks, the sky is the limit for designing.
Default mates are awesome. You're used to using this feature, and just like being able to read the mind of your significant other, now when you use default mates in SolidWorks, it will automatically default to a secondary to take precedence if the first mate overdefines. This is going to be especially useful in cylindrical surfaces. Default mates will now allow you to get it right the first time, every time, without any errors.
Mates and patterns are nice in 2014, but the best thing in assemblies in 2014 is being able to select all the items that are small by size and percentage in your assemblies. You want to make your assemblies lightweight, more efficient. This is a way you can do it easily. Nobody else can even do it at all. And now in 2014, boom, you do it instantaneously.
Wow, Setzer's already laying down the dynamite with his boom snaps. As we enter the final round, we have a two-way tie between Chris and Ron. Our final topic for debate, what is the best new part modeling feature in SolidWorks 2014? Bring us home, Claire.
Quite simply, the best part of SolidWorks 2014 in part modeling is the corner reliefs. Imagine now you can intuitively add the corner reliefs in the formed model. Imagine how much time that's going to save you. I think this is a great addition, folks.
Claire's got a good point, but having Welding Profiles support configurations is absolutely huge. You can switch from one side to another easily. You won't lose any mates. You can draw with design tables. It's fantastic. It's the best upgrade in 2014 parts.
You've asked for it, now SolidWorks 2014 has it. Hole Wizard slots. Just like holes in Hole Wizard, now you can configure your slots, you can change them, you can edit them, you can call them out on your drawings. Just like you're used to doing with holes, you now have the ability to do with slots, something you've been asking for a long time. This is going to be your favorite new feature in SolidWorks 2014.
Okay, Ron, you think you have a good point, but not to put a hole in all of this slots with SolidWorks. Users need to save time. They need to save time on the redesign. SolidWorks 2014 is where it's at. Why? Because now when you delete features that have children references, the children don't have to go away. They stay there. They're a reference still yet. This is going to be a game changer. It saves time. It's going to help you muchly. That's a word.
That's it. Time's up. Engineers, holster those 3D mice. SolidWorks Nation, we have our winner. Ron is our new king of the origin.
Yay! I told you I knew what the best new features in SolidWorks 2014 are. Get on board with me and let's go design.
It's time for your shameless plug, Ron.
I want you to go to gxsc.com and click on Solid Notes. This is Graphic Systems' technical blog. If it's about SolidWorks, we're writing about it. You'll find tips, tricks, and anything that has to do technically with using your SolidWorks. Remember, gxsc.com, Solid Notes. That's where you'll want to be.
I'm sorry, that's all the time we have for today on Around the Origin. Until next time,